Well, I guess it's hello, YouTube. So guys, I've decided to start a YouTube video. I've been thinking about this for quite a while. So obviously the first thing that you need when you start YouTube is a decent camera. So this is pretty much what my first video is going to be all about. I bought a new camera like 1 o'clock in the morning on the whole Amazon Prime Day, so I got a bit of a nice discount for it. So this video will literally contain me unboxing my new toy, and this will be the camera that I'll be using throughout the entire, well, I say the entire time, depends. I might get a new camera eventually when I accidentally break this one, knowing me. So here's my packages I got from Amazon today, and let's open these. Oh, by the way, I'm currently filming on an iPhone 6s Plus, so I'm not 100% sure what the quality's like, because I never really actually used a video on this thing, but I'm hoping the video in here is going to be much better. So we'll start off with this one, which is a nice thin one. I think this is the memory card. Okay, this is a lot trickier doing it with one hand. Ugh. Get there. Here we go. Memory card, get up package. Ooh, Amazon. More of these little fiddly things. I have no idea how I'm gonna do that with one hand anyway. Oh. Other side. Is it even in here? There we go, there's my memory card, my 32 gigabytes. So I'm hoping that's going to be big enough for now. Is it going to focus? There's focus. There you go, so 32 gigabytes SDHC card. You know, I actually didn't like properly check up online because it was quite hard to find out if this memory card is even suitable for the camera that I bought. But let's see. Fingers crossed. How do I open this with one hand? There we go. I'm in. So much flaps, flap. Yay, paper. Paper. Ooh, there we go. Oh, and another box to open as well. And sellotape. Getting a new camera. And here it is. I got myself the Sony HX90. That's upside down. Wi-Fi, full 1080, HDMI, memory stick. Is that the one I bought? I don't even think it is. I'm going to open this one last. So I bought myself you know what? Go away. Bought myself a tripod. Monkey pod. Why are none of these packages like easy to open with one hand? It's like they thought that nobody would record videos for these and just go. There we go, monkey pod. Ooh, it's quite foamy. Ooh, has that come off? Have I broken it already? Wow, clips out. Yeah, there we go. This makes it easier for you to attach it. There we go. Next item, I bought a little bag for it because I'm going away for this weekend, so I don't want to take my camera with me. There we go, unzipping all with one hand. It's a lot of fiddly. Oh, that's the end of it. Go away. This is why I bought a tripod. Okay, so I don't have to try and open these things with one hand. Oh, is that how it... Ooh. So it's got elasticated, so I can't actually open it fully. There's a little section there for an extra battery or memory cards or anything. It's quite nice little foamy. Ooh, stroke. That's tripod. Mystery box, which is going to be hard to open. So I've changed hands now because I'm actually right-handed, so hopefully I can open this better. Although they've literally sellotaped this right around. Is that the opening or is that that's the ending? I can't open this. Go away. So pretty much that is some spare batteries for the camera and a charger. I think it actually says that on itself. Yeah, 3 battery and charger 3 times. There we go. Now it's the main thing. More tape that's impossible to open with one hand. I'm also trying to watch this through my phone, so it makes it even more difficult. Spin around. Guarantee documents. Instructions on how to use the viewfinder. And also, don't need that. Wi-Fi connection. Yeah, I believe this phone you can connect it to Wi-Fi, and you can download an app onto your iPhone or Android, and you can sync all your photos straight from one to another without having to like connect it through a computer. Register to protect. Register your new product. Yeah. Nice digital still camera, all the instructions. Is that it? Yeah, that is the right way. So what have we got here? So this looks like the power adapter. So it's connects on the side and USB on this side, so it's the middle piece. But I believe you can also charge it just through the USB. USB to micro USB. Sweet. I've got loads of those. I've got PS4, so it's the same cable. I've got loads. And the actual power adapter that connects to it. And strap. Must probably never use it. And then I'll regret it one day when I actually drop it. And like, I wish I put this on. And the main bit. No. I think you meant to hold it like this. This keeps going out of focus. There we go. Into the camera itself. There it is. Ooh, so pretty. And the top. So you got all the videos, panorama, automatic, macro. There's video. This is flash, I believe. Oh, dropped it already. See, this is why I'm meant to be using this. I have dropped it within 2 seconds. Lucky enough, I'm doing it on my bed. Flash appears on the top. That's pretty cool. Ooh, kind of like swings back. That doesn't feel very sturdy. And then you got the finder over here. It goes like that, and then you can pull it out. Yeah, like that. So you can look through it instead of having to use the actual display itself. If I just push it back, clip, there you go. This is the screen. It has a nice flip, so you can view what you're doing. So it'll be really handy when I'm actually doing some vlogs. Oh, look, there's me. Ooh. There we go, the Sony with a 30 times optical zoom. So I'm excited to use that. Not sound like a creep at all. And then we've got, what's this one? Multi. I'm guessing that's where the power goes. And I think that is a micro HDMI. So I can plug it into my TV and view all the pictures through there. Open. Wait, where was the battery? There it is. I was like, where's the battery for this? I was about to say, good thing I bought 3 extras. So here's my Sony X-type battery, lithium. That goes in. Okay, this is gonna be really complicated doing this one-handed. Do I have to move that little thing? So I'm guessing with this arrow, it's telling me that I need to move that, slide that down, and then that little thing go back to keep it in. Or does it just... There we go. So I was doing it the wrong way around. So I thought that arrow was meaning to this, apparently it means the inside. Does this fit? And which way does it go? Yay! It's the right one. And then the tiny little lock. There we go. And here it is, and the power button. Here, put it on for the first time. Already a little bit dusty on the front, on the screen. Oh. English, French, English obviously. And there we go, so here's my camera. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it all up, and my next part of this video will be on this, using the tripod, looking much better. So in 3, 2, 1. This is the new camera all up and running. Hopefully the quality is a little bit better on this one than it was in the iPhone a minute ago. And it looks like it's staying in focus, which is also an amazing thing. I'll be doing loads of videos from now on with my new camera, which is good. I also managed to open that annoying box, and it's got loads of these little miniature little boxes inside it, just full of batteries. And it came with another cable, and it also came with a car charging cable, but looks... Why are they different? Ugh. Okay. So you can either do it through that way, or you can do it through that way. Sweet. So yeah guys, if you want to subscribe or anything, you can go down and subscribe to me down here. That was hopefully the right side. There somewhere. So yeah, if you want to subscribe and you can see all my future videos on your timeline, go for it. Much appreciated.